Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can download and play NBA 2K26 mobile on your phone. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to download and play NBA 2K26 mobile on your phone, it's actually pretty easy, just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, I want you to go to your app store, since this is where we will download the game. And once you've opened your app store, next, I want you to search this on the search bar. And after searching it, you will now be able to see the NBA 2K26 mobile game right here. So you can now download it by tapping the Get button right here. And then tap this. And after tapping it, this payment window will show on your screen. So in order for you to play the game, you would have to pay around $7 a month. But if this is your first time downloading or subscribing to Apple Arcade, you will have a 3 months free trial. This means that you will be able to play the game for 3 straight months without paying anything, which is actually a great deal. But in my case, I would have to pay because I have already used up my 3 months free trial when I downloaded their NBA 2K25 before. So in order to proceed, just tap the subscribe button. And after tapping it, you just need to log in your Apple account by entering your password right here. And after logging in, the game will now start downloading. Just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, it's done. You can now start opening the game. And once you've opened the game, there will be an additional download for the extra resources for the game, like sounds and graphics. Just wait for this to finish. And once it's finished, it's done. Congratulations, you will now have your NBA 2K26 Arcade Edition mobile installed on your phone, so you can now start playing it. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.